intro. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Where today we are back playing Pew Pew 2. Where this video we are going to be fighting the boss. Let's go. You are not fighting. Okay, yep. I should have actually finished reading that. Okay, so when we shoot his shield, it becomes bigger. Oh God, this guy annihilates. Ah. I think when he's green, we can't hit him. Oh God. Oh, I failed miserably that time. Yes, okay, so let's read it. Use his interior to get behind him. Keep in mind that in his interior, wolves reflect the... Oh, okay. I think we can... Oh God. I think we can only hit him when he's red. Oh my God, he cornered me there. Oh my God. Oh, 0 shields. Oh, this guy is so hard to beat. Ah! And it's his projectiles. Oh no! Yes. What was that? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, so after that idiot. Oh no. Just gonna grab my charger, guys. Sorry. Oh, do mine bounce off the wall too? Yes, they do. Just gonna wait for his projectiles to be destroyed. What? That's impossible! Look, squished me! Oh! Get in the corner, get in the corner, get here, get here. Okay, move away, move away, move away, move away, move away, swerve. Oh God. No! No! I think we go around that way, then swerve around that way and shoot him. Okay, you need to dodge all these projectiles now. I need to like shoot here, so then they'll bounce around and get him. No, he's stupid projectiles. Ah. What? No! Oh, this idiot. No, this idiot! Ah! I hate his projectiles! What happens if you just stay in his shield? Oh my god! I just need to dodge all his projectiles. That's pretty much what I need to do. Oh, I need to watch out for when he's green, because he can shoot his projectiles from all over him, not just his shield. Okay, I'm getting really whoa! They did not hit me! For heaven's sakes! Oh! Okay, he's green. What? No! What? This idiot boss, he can't do this. He can't just shoot projectiles through his own shield. You know, kill me. See if I care. Oh, stupid music. Okay, now it's better. I wasn't even in front of the shield. Like, he shot them when I wasn't even in front of the shield and they all hit me. I'm trying to watch out for the projectiles. I'm pretty sure they bounce off the wall once. Yeah, and they blow up the next time. Okay, I need to watch out for this. No! Ah! Oh, why did I just fly straight into that? Okay, watch out for this mode, watch out for this mode. Oh, I got hit, I got hit, I got hit. So whenever I shoot it, he shoots a projectile. Dodge him, dodge him, dodge him, dodge him. No! Zero shields, I can't get hit again or else I'll die. Get in the corner, dodge. Turning down that way. Then quickly swerve around. No! Yes. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Okay, I've got quite a few hits on him there. No. Oh, what? No. Don't shoot the man, I'm an idiot. Get on here. Move. Go this way, go. No, escape. Dodge him. Go. No, zero shields. No! Can I still hit him on this gun? I don't know, but I'm failing. Fine, kill me. Here, kill me. Are you gonna kill me or not? Why is he not killing me? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna call him Bob. I'm gonna kill you, Bob. He's gonna be my new friend, Bob. And I'm trying to kill him. But he's gonna win. Gonna win our battle. Oh, no, don't get hit. No, he's after me! No! No, he's green, no! No! Ah! Idiot! He annoyed me. Got hit once now. Oh god, no! Oh, this is stupid! Like, there were 3, in, one. This is so stupid. If one hits you, it's impossible to dodge the others. Just dodge that, quick, swerve around. And then come around this way and shoot him. Come this way, shoot him. Okay, he's... Okay, but the thing about when he's green, that doesn't happen. Move. Go. Dodge. Pretend go that way, then go this way and fire. This way. No, move. Get down here. Dodge. No! I just went straight into it. What's wrong with me? Then fire. Okay, this is the furthest I've got. No, dodge him. No! That was nowhere near me, though. When I went there, it hadn't even hit the wall yet. Oh, it's so hard. Everybody's probably like, this guy sucks at this game, and whatever, yeah, I do. You see the title for the first episode? And I just got wrecked somehow. I didn't. Yes! You don't have to keep asking me, you stupid game. god, why can't these projectiles just die the first time they hit the wall? That's all the projectiles. Okay, here we go. Oh god, no, dodge. Dodge, and don't go straight into them like I just did. Ah. Just want all these to be destroyed. No, screen. This is for the stuff I've got. Come on, let's get out of the way. We have to move. It's so much harder now. No! Yes. Actually, no. Quit. Yes. Before I continue that, I want to go up here. I'm gonna go into, I'm just gonna... Okay. I'm gonna go chapter 1. I wanna try and beat, where is it? Ying. I'm not good at Ying. Terrible at Ying, in fact. Oh, no. Oh, cool. Oh. Ah. No. Oh, no. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.